Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to add folder in Wrike. Now the first thing you need to do is to access the relevant space or project by navigating to the space or project within Wrike where you want to write or create the new folder. The next thing you're going to do is right click on the space or project name in the left hand menu and select add item from the contents menu by using the plus button. The next thing you need to do is to choose a folder from the drop-down list. Once you've done this, give your folder a clear and concise name, e.g. marketing campaign, Q3 project, client X. Next, you have to click create. So click the create button to finalize the folder's creation. Another way you can do it, alternative, is to use the plus button in the top right corner. By clicking the top plus button in the top right corner of your Wrike workspace, then selecting folder from the drop-down menu, you can get an alternative way of creating folder. Next thing you're going to use is switch to the table view in the relevant space or project. I'm showing you alternative methods, two alternative methods. The first one is to use the plus button in the top right corner. And how do you do that? Click the plus button in the top right corner of your Wrike workspace, select folder from drop-down menu. As simple as that. Or you can use the new item button in the table view. So first thing you need to do is switch to table view in the relevant space or project where you want to create a folder, and then click the plus button at the bottom of the task list and select folder from the drop-down menu. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you can easily create new folders within Wrike to organize your projects, tasks, and other work items effectively. It's as simple as that. Hope you found the video helpful. Check out our other videos on Wrike, which is an effective and powerful project management tool.